how to turn on or turn off show layout boundaries settings on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on developer options. Now in here, scroll down and then tap on Quick Settings Developer Tools. Now at the top here, tap on the Show Layout Bounds toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Once it is turned on, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now swipe down at the top to open up your Quick Settings. In here, in Quick Settings, you can then swipe down this one to open up a full menu. From the full menu, tap on Show Layout Bounds. This will show the boundaries on your device. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. If you want to switch it off, simply just tap on that to turn off the Show Layout Boundaries. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.